My people don't come. Oh. My name is Raspako Black Moses, the peace messenger. As I tell you, my organization will get to say One Love for Peace and Unity Foundation, woman rights activists. And we will get to. That's what we do. And we will stand to fight for people and talk through what did happen for Nigeria.
My name na Rachel Omolara Spako, aka Lady Spako. The same One Love for Peace and Unity Foundation, the woman rights activist. Now, what do you see for this government of our Nigeria?
What is happening? Be say I know if you talk too much for this government. Be say I want to say this country Nigeria, because I remember for this Nigeria during our Obasanjo time, where all this wahala of plane, this and that, they bomb everywhere. Nobody tell Obasanjo say make it come out so you know do and well. Everybody say they pray for them. For this country, we are praying to see say our country stand very well. You see, but conscience say this our own this government now that can tell Buhari making come out for power, say you know do and well. We were supposed to support them for prayer. We could pray for and make things do okay. We can't be saying the God is maybe for sure. I don't understand though. Now so I see this government. I know may God help us.
How you see this? How you see this Fulani matter? These henchmen that they say they are killing, they are carrying AK-47. Those days we don't see Fulani with gun, rather stick they carry. It is true that Fulani are killing.
What happen we say? Me I no fit talk say na Fulani, because as I know Fulani na stick that they carry. So I'm surprised now when Fulani they carry AK-47, say that they kill. Whether na politician they go buy people to better they dress like Fulani, better they go keep people for village to stop Buhari government. I know if you talk so, but now the two women are the suspect say I told they happen because Fulani don't take for Nigeria who don't they live. Fulani they kill. Now so me I see them.
This election where they come now, how do you see the preparation of this election? How do you think this election will be? Year 2019.
Yes, now this election go good if all of us go put hand to support Buhari for his corruption when they fight, because the corruption will help everybody. Everybody, not only me. Everybody, not only Buhari. This corruption will help because he said the new one when Buhari enter for the second time, because he said Nigeria go sweet. Forget for the beginning where they fight and now. This government goes sweet. All what we need is make everybody put hand, support Buhari, make he enter for the second time. Make us say this corruption, all people where they chop our money for Nigeria, they go vomit out, and our money no go lost again. Because say things go cheap for this country. We could give and try again. If things no go cheap, garri go cheap, rice go cheap, even light self go there for everywhere. We could support Buhari, we could see how the thing go be.
This our youth. How do you see the youth of nowadays, the way they are doing, and what expectation we get for them?
What happen? We say this our youth. You know, say during our own time, we no take Facebook or phone, take grow. But nowadays, the youth now they take phone and Facebook, take grow. So the life will change small, but it good make the youth still learn from the elder small, because the modern way they live now is different from that time. Oh, the children now nobody still thinking what they think. You see, but the only thing we say we will still pilot them to make sure say them put head to make this country to grow. Make politicians no use them. Because if politicians they use them, so maybe they go kill, maybe they go fight, maybe they go do this, they go spoil the country, and one day that too they go face them. This youth one that they use say go kill, go do this, carry black card, carry this. One day the youth go vex, turn back against una, so that the thing will happen. So that's why we no want make they be say they go to use youth to say that they use them for rubbish. They go carry wahala, they go put for town. We no want time. Now so I see.
Finally, we want you to advise our leaders and fellow Nigerians, both Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba, advise them.
Yawa. Higeko adunia muke, and Nigeria muke. Akwa sunache nasara. When you want to do something, ndị obodo anyị na-asị na onye kweru chi ekweru. If you grieve for God, God go grieve for you. Naturally, tell you. If you grieve for God, God will grieve for you. But if you don't grieve for God, God no will grieve for you. This our country where they see so. All we will see all of us put hands together, we will repair them very well. No be so we go live for one person. Make you call the do. If one person they repair, go see say for gutter where they don't clean now. Somebody will carry pure water, throw inside the gutter. How it is say go good? We go make sure say we will repair this country together. This country we must have to do it together. Let everything be okay. We can't be waiting. We can't be waiting for one person to maintain it alone. We have to work hand to hand to make sure we build this our country. This our country is a lovely country. When you travel outside country, you find out that Nigeria is one of the beautiful country and lovely country we have. You see, nothing we can do than to love our country and to work it together. That's the thing.
Now you see, and so we can't see everything for Nigeria now. Let's join hands together and make Nigeria grow. One love, respect.